Well, typical Monday morning, that tractor broke down on the car. It broke down. Busted an O-ring line or something in the seals back there that run your remotes. So I had to go get this tractor, put it on the cart. This is the point the tractor don't even have the planter, so it come out of a hibernation. Luckily for us, well, right here next to the shop. I mean, we got this little 8-acre field out here shelled, and we're cutting back here behind my parents' house. It's about 35 acres right here. We're cutting that out, and luckily we're right here close by, so it wasn't like I had to go very hard swap the tractors. So the tractor's sitting there for now, and in case you're gonna look at that sometime. But right now, for today, we're gonna roll with this on the cart, and we're taking it into the field. We got this little 8-acre field cut, and this is a little field here, 8-acre field shelled, and then we got that this field here opened up, and it's about 30 acres in this field. Then we got to go across the road, we're about 20 acres over there, and then when we went down to the last 130 acres of corn, roughly. So that's great. Maybe we'll park this right here. There we go. So this tractor gonna be in the car for a while. Hopefully it does alright. This tractor has no doors on it, and it don't have any lights on it, because this tractor has spent, check it off, because most of the time this tractor spends its time on the planter. But this tractor here, it's not a CVT transmission, it's just a power shift. It's a 16-phase power shift transmission. It's got 4 remotes. This is how you adjust the gears on the power shift. You just got the rabbit goes up, total goes down. And you got your park thing up here, your park forward, reverse. There, pointing this way is your forward, this is backwards reverse, and this is park obviously. And then this tractor here runs the planter and runs the drill, and where this tractor normal drive is, and usually in the this time of year, so usually this time of year it kind of sits still. But this tractor here, we gotta take all this stuff out, because I'll give y'all a hint. There's a new postage coming, and no longer requires it. It's something to do with this piece of equipment right here. So I want y'all to guess what that is in the comments, and all this stuff here we'll be taking out, and this tractor will be getting something new to pull here. Well, maybe the tractor might stay on the cart. I don't know. But anyway, one of the tractors will be pulling something here in the next couple of days. It'll be kind of cool. So I'll let y'all guess what that is in the comments down below. That's what's going on. He getting another tree, bringing in another truck. And got one more. That truck there's loaded right there, and then got mine sitting right there. And we're gonna walk and roll. Hopefully today's Monday. Hopefully it's about 9 o'clock right now. There's foggy and dew this morning. Hopefully we get started here in the next 45 minutes, and then tomorrow. Today and tomorrow we'll be down. We should get done with corn, hopefully, out of 30 acres. The problem is, I know we could get done tomorrow, but the problem is, we could get done tomorrow. It's probably very possible, but the problem is that the problem I see is that we got to move that 15 miles down to some corn. I don't know if y'all remember me, the video. I was in that tractor working ground, and I said something about like something about last ground work of the year or something. I don't think what it's called, but we had to go down there to one of our farms. It's my grandma's farm that we put out down there, and you gotta get in another county. And it's about 25 miles, so we gotta go down there and get that farm. That's 80 acres down there, and so once we get this finished up, we gotta go down there. So it kind of takes a while to get down there and haul back. So that's the big drawback to getting that done. Well, we're finally about to shelling corn. We're finally on the last field of corn. We like about 20 acres, 25 acres being through with harvest. As you can probably tell, the corn has gotten ridiculously dry. I mean, 12% portion, that's insane. I mean, that's what hot. It's 104 degrees outside right now, and it's the first day in October. That's just insane. But yeah, we finally got the over here to the last farm. This corn is doing really good. We planted in June. This plant corn plant on June the 10th, or something like that. It's in 190 bushel corn. They're pretty good. It's doing pretty good. They plant June the 10th. This is the best ground in the world. It's kind of white. It's kind of white. It's kind of white dough. But yeah, well, we're about to wrap up corn harvest, and we'll jump right into beans. We'll try to tell you this tonight, but the thing about it is we're about 35 miles from the little harvest too, and so you kind of got to wait a while to get. So you kind of got to wait a while on the trucks. We'd have been done soon if we hadn't keep kind of wait on trucks. We'd been done. We probably would have been done yesterday, but it's the way it is. Yeah, we'll probably. I plan when we need to get this corn done, so we can jump back in the beans. We got a bunch. We have about 800 acres of beans that are. They should make. We have about 800 acres of beans that should have been cut a week ago, but we're trying to take this corn off. And because we got to start doing a lot of wheat, and we got to start doing wheat today. We're waiting on something to come in for the wheat, and y'all see what that is. As I mentioned in the first part of this video, which was actually made yesterday. Yeah, at that tractor we had on the cart, it busted a hydraulic line, and so we had to get that taken off, put another tractor on the cart. We put another tractor on the cart, and which is not a smaller tractor, but that's all right. This is flat ground right here, so I mean it's alright, but we don't hilly says another thing. Yeah, they are fixed now, so we'll probably swap it back. We get back to this shop, we'll probably swap back to another tractor. But yeah, this ground's real white right here, and 100% corn making 184 bushel an acre. It's really good, especially if it's 12% moisture. Yeah, this is this field here is about 20 miles away from my home, about 20 miles away from my home base, and it's 70 acres. There's up down that hill. There's about 20 acres, and then there's about 30 acres. And then there's 2 little 4-acre fields. That's 8 acres, and then this field here is about 40 acres. So about 75 acres altogether, I guess. But this is actually my grandma's farm. That's exactly my grandma's farm. So this family well. That's how we got it down here. So that's how we ended up down here. We're actually 2 counties over. This is the only ground we have on this side of the county. Of this particular county, anyway. It's the only ground we have in this particular county, and it wasn't quite perfect. We made it to the end. Awesome. But yeah, corn harvest is wrapping up. We still like a bunch of beans, like I said, and I'll be showing you videos of bean harvest. I don't know if we'll get the bean field tomorrow or not. If we don't get that tomorrow, we'll get that the next day. So, yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. I think we'll go for another round, don't y'all think? We're storing extra here on the roof, police storage right here on the roof. Yeah, all we like is this little strip right here from there to the trees, and this little strip right here from there to the trees, and a little strip right there, about 5 rounds all together, and the corn harvest is going to be wrapped up. And corn harvest is going to be wrapped up. So, you can see what we like here. So, yeah, buddy. One thing about it being so hot. Turn this video down, talk up. One thing about it being one thing about it being hot and dry, it's really helped us. We're sped up with harvest because we haven't had to hardly artificially dry any corn. Shut up! I know. They keep telling me you have a header sensor out. I don't care. That done. Anyway, what's really sped up with harvest this year is that we get done corn harvest in record time, and that's because we've had good weather. We haven't had to artificially dry any corn. We haven't had to artificially dry any corn, and that's really sped us up. We did dry a little bit. We did dry like maybe 2 days when we first started. And everything else has been, you know, we've been able to dry. It's been extremely dry, like too dry. So that's also a plus. But that thing driving me crazy. But anyway, so that's also been like a little bit plus for us. And we got to be able to get done in record time. Last year we was on up in November. We was on up in the middle of October getting done with corn, and then let alone. Then we had more beans cut. Now we only have 90 acres of beans cut. So anyway, if this dry weather continues, if the beans will be bean cut, will be a breeze. So anyway, we have approximately 17 acres shelled. I think the 32 in this field, so we're about the halfway mark, exactly. So yeah, there comes the cart.